Welcome to the part 12 of the Gregg Shorthand course. In this video, we are going to have a look at frequent words, which means that we are going to have a look at some words which occur frequently while writing. Our first word is of. This is made like this. Next one is that. This is made like this. Next one is was. This is made like this. Next is they. This is made like this. Next one is this. This is made like this. Next one is and or end. This is made like this. Next is to. To or to. This is made like this. Next one is be, by or but. This is made like this. Next is you or your. This is made like this. Next is than or then. This is made like this. Next one is them. This is made like this. Next is or his. This is made like this. Next one is great. This is made like this. Next one is with. This is made like this. Next one is without. This is made like this.